Hello everyone and welcome back to Webtoon app, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to create a Cloud AI account. So first of all, go to your Google and search for Cloud AI and go to its official website. Then you will see this interface where you can either enter your email or just continue with Google. The easiest way is to just click on continue with Google, which will open a pop-up where you need to select the email you want to log in with. I will select my account and click continue, and now I am logged into my account, and this is how you can log into your account too. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tutorials.